Okay, welcome back. Well, I'm still in the console and I'm still in root. The next step here on my order of installation for setting up my Debian system is I'm going to install some media codecs and then I'm going to add preload. So the media codecs, that's kind of self-explanatory. VLC, LibriVox, other things like that that will allow me to actually view videos, hear audio files, view pictures, that sort of thing. So from there, we are going to go into our console, which I'm already in, and we're just going to do an apt install and then the codec name. So here we go. Apt install, and the first one is the LibreV codec. LibreV codec, and dash extra. Then we're going to space it, and we're also going to add VLC to that. And enter. And that was quick. I read the package, built a dependency tree, and it's got the information. But for some odd reason, it wasn't able to find the LibreV codec. So let's try to see if we can do a search for that. Let's see. apt-get. And LibreV codec. Dash extra. Let's see what happens. Invalid. I guess I have to do a little more research with that. So right now the only codec I have is VLC. We'll move on from that and I'll go on to the next. We're going to try to see if we can add preload to this. One of the things that I've been informed about preload is that it allows you to store in RAM any applications that you use a lot. So if you use Firefox a lot and it takes you about 5 seconds for it to load, it'll load in like maybe 1 or 2. Speed things up a little bit. Same thing with bigger applications, like if you're using a Linux version of either GIMP or Krita or any other Photoshop alternative, that could work for you. So we are going to do an apt install a preload. And is there anything else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. And there it goes. And with that, we should be more or less done. There may be one other thing to do.